How to fix Webtoon app not working in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find this Webtoon app and click on it. Click on force stop and then click on the data usage here. Make sure that everything is enabled. Go back and then click on the power usage details, and also right here make sure that power consumption alert is enabled. Go back to these settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds, and after that disable it, and now restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.